Do you want to learn how to create and put together an amazing fashion portfolio from two industry professionals? Hello everyone, my name is Nino Villa.
And I'm Sophia Aline Bernardes. We are excited to introduce our new course, How to Create a Fashion Portfolio, brought to you by Fashion Premier Academy.
In this step-by-step course, we will guide you through the entire process of creating a professional and compelling portfolio that fits your needs.
You will learn to define your brand and conduct competitor research, which sets the foundation for your entire portfolio.
Next, we will dive into developing a detailed customer profile. This step is crucial in ensuring that your designs resonate with the right people.
One of the most exciting parts of this course is creating a mood and color board. We will teach you how to choose a season and utilize industry resources. This board will be the backbone of your portfolio.
Understanding the right fabrics and their applications is vital in fashion design. We will guide you in selecting colors to add to your portfolio.
We will also walk you through developing a line plan. You will learn techniques like quick sketching and how to conduct market research.
Technical skills are crucial. We will cover CAD, which stands for Computer-Aided Design, and your choice of Adobe Illustrator or hand flats.
We will help you choose standout designs and bring them to life through fashion illustrations. Documenting your design process will showcase your creative journey and final results.
And finally, we will help you create a professional cover page and an end page for your portfolio.
For those seeking advanced knowledge, we will offer an optional lesson on tech packs. You will understand their importance and work on design detail callouts, adding a professional edge to your portfolio.
By the end of this course, you will have a stunning professional fashion design portfolio that showcases your unique design vision, your technical skills, and your creative process. It will be an invaluable tool whether you're applying to a fashion school or internship or a job.
We are thrilled to embark on this creative journey with you. Enroll in our course today and take the first step towards making your fashion design dream a reality.
Thank you for joining us. We can't wait to see the amazing portfolios that you will create.
Ciao!